Sharks are incredible creatures, ruling the ocean for over 400 million years. They thrive in diverse habitats, from vibrant coral reefs to the deep sea. These apex predators play a vital role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems by controlling fish populations and ensuring healthy reefs. Did you know that some species can detect a drop of blood in the water from miles away? Their keen senses make them efficient hunters. Yet, despite their fierce reputation, sharks are often misunderstood and face threats from overfishing and habitat loss. Protecting them is crucial for the health of our oceans and, ultimately, our planet.